everyone, I'm May from nextselectiondream.com. Thanks for stopping by this review video. Today, I'm going to help you determine if this product is a good fit for you, whether it actually works, and how the entire system operates. So let's dive right in. But before we get into the walkthrough and demo, let me introduce ourselves. My team and I have been in the digital marketing space for over a decade, helping thousands of students create multiple income streams online. And over the past few years, we've mastered the art of automated income generation, and now we're sharing our proven strategies with you. You might be wondering, does this system actually work? The answer is yes. You can see these real results from our students who have built consistent passive income streams using the exact strategies we teach. And here's the best part. We're offering you full access to all our 9 income streams completely free. That's right, no hidden fees, no upsells, just real strategies that work. We understand that you clicked on this video to find out if this product is worth your time and investment. Rest assured, the creator is highly reputable and the system is designed to help you build a sustainable online business. So stick around until the end of the video where I'll walk you through the full demo so you can see it in action. Now, if you're interested in unlocking financial freedom, check out nextselectiondream.com. We've built a comprehensive training program with 9 income streams, all available at no cost to you. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, this system is designed to help you grow and scale your income. If you've already decided to invest in this product and came here for an honest review, I've included the link in the video description below. And when you purchase through our links given in this video description below, you'll actually receive lifetime access to all of our 9 income streams as a bonus, along with ongoing support and exclusive updates. Now, let's talk about how you can get access to our 9 income streams from nextselectiondream.com. You can check out our affiliate school, which we call Next Selection Dream. Here, you'll find 9 different income streams, each with its own price tag. But we don't charge you anything for them. If you've decided to buy this product and came to this video for a review, I've included the link in the video description down below. When you purchase through the link in the description, you'll get lifetime access to all 9 income streams as a bonus, along with lifetime updates and support. Now, let's dive into the bonus details. Our first income stream is called the Complete Affiliate Marketing on Autopilot Masterclass. If you're new to affiliate marketing, it's a simple process where you promote other people's products and you earn 50 to 75% commissions. Here, you can see one of our results using the autopilot method with WordPress and ChatGPT, requiring no investment. We also teach you how the same system works for Amazon affiliate marketing. We've created a detailed tutorial video that walks you through everything step by step, just copy and paste. You'll get access to 90 plus modules breaking down the process so anyone from beginners to experts can follow along. Each income stream comes with a step-by-step video tutorial for easy access and implementation. My bonuses are different from others. Many other reviews promise software, outdated courses, or PDFs just to create hype and get you to buy from them. I've seen people offer free bonuses without actually providing value, but I want to be transparent. I'll show you exactly what you're getting, not just talk about bonuses without proof. Unlike others, I'll give you full access look inside the members area. I believe nextselectiondream.com is the right fit for you according to other bonuses. Also, feel free to jump to our website. Now, let's dive into the second income stream, how to make passive income on Amazon KDP with $0. Here you can see one of our Amazon KDP earnings dashboard where all the results come from organic traffic. No investment needed. We achieve this using ChatGPT, Google Bard, and free Canva. All our income streams rely on free autopilot targeted traffic, so there's no need to spend money on ads. In this income stream, you'll simply copy and paste the step-by-step process we teach based on our years of experience. Now, let's move on to the third income stream, the best strategy to make money with a TikTok shop account. We'll provide you with winning products and the exact content strategy we use to generate sales on autopilot. You can easily apply this method to your own TikTok account, but due to privacy reasons, we can't really show you our own TikTok shop earnings, but the strategy we share is proven and highly effective. Once you purchase this product using the link at the top of the description, you'll get instant access to all 9 income streams. No waiting required. Here's how to access them immediately. If you buy from Warrior Plus or jvzoo, your purchase dashboard will look like this. You'll see an option called Access Affiliate Bonus. Just click on it and you'll be redirected to our private sign-up page. Here, you'll unlock all 9 income streams for free. Now, if you've purchased through jvzoo, the dashboard will look slightly different, but you'll find a second button labeled Activate 9 Income Streams from nextselectiondream.com for a lifetime. Click on it and you're in. The private sign-up page will look like this. So here's what you need to do. First, enter your first name and your last name. Then enter your email, password, and confirm your password. Next, enter the name of the product you purchased. Select the purchase platform. So if you bought from Warrior Plus, type Warrior Plus. If you bought it from jvzoo, type jvzoo. If you bought it from another platform, however, type others. Then enter the number of upsells you purchased. So if you only bought one, the front end, enter 1. If you purchased 2 upsells from the same product, enter 2, and so on. The more upsells you purchase, the more exclusive benefits and access you'll get to our new upcoming income streams. Now, let's talk about our 4th income stream, Affiliate Marketing ClickBank Success Guide. Make money in 2025. You can check out one of our students' results using this method. This strategy is all about Facebook ads, and it's perfect for promoting affiliate products through paid traffic. You'll also get access to our 1K per day winning campaign on Facebook ads. Everything is laid out for you. You just copy, paste, and apply the system to master ClickBank affiliate marketing with Facebook ads. Now, let's dive into our 5th income stream, ChatGPT Pinterest ClickBank Affiliate Marketing Masterclass. Check out one of our students achieved great results with the ClickBank affiliate program using Pinterest, all through free traffic, so no paid ads needed. This method leverages AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and more to drive traffic and sales. You'll learn a secret hidden technique to generate massive traffic to your affiliate links while also growing your Pinterest account. For example, one of our Pinterest accounts consistently made 5 to 10 sales per week in the past. Plus, this method works for any niche, helping you promote any product successfully. Now, let's jump into the 6th income stream, Affiliate Marketing Autopilot Amazon Niche Sites Made Easy. This is one of our biggest income streams, revealing hidden strategies that top gurus use to make huge profits, but they never share with anyone. You'll get exclusive insights into how to succeed with the Amazon affiliate program using simple organic traffic methods that are completely unique. You can check out one of our Amazon affiliate dashboards showing how our students have earned big as Amazon affiliates. The best part? You only need to copy and paste these strategies into your own income stream. Plus, we've included a detailed case study in the course to show exactly how it works. Next up is our 7th income stream, ClickBank Affiliate Success plus 2 live done-for-you campaigns and case studies. In this course, we provide live proof of earnings along with 2 different case studies that generated results in less than 24 hours. So you'll be able to copy and apply the exact same method to your own ClickBank affiliate marketing strategy. If you're new to ClickBank, don't worry. We also include a deep dive training that covers what ClickBank is and how to use it effectively to maximize your earnings. Now, let's jump into our 8th income stream, Launch Jacking Killer, Dominate Affiliate Marketing Like a Pro. Here, you can see real results from one of our students who started dominating affiliate marketing using the launch jacking method with YouTube and blogging, all without any investment. This is a day one beginner-friendly strategy. In this income stream, you'll learn how to leverage the launch jacking method using free tools and AI-powered platforms like ChatGPT to maximize your success effortlessly. Now, let's talk about our ninth and final income stream, YouTube and hosting affiliate programs. In this training, we'll show you how to sign up for hosting affiliate programs and find low competition keywords to rank easily. You can earn a solid income by creating simple videos, no need to show your face. We cover everything from script creation to audio generation, and AI handles most of the work for you. With the right script, format, and title, you can start getting sales. Some of our students have actually made $500 to $800 per week by working just 1 hour a day. If you purchase this product through the link in the video description below, you'll get instant access to all 9 income streams along with future updates as we frequently add new income streams. Each of these income streams typically comes with a high price tag, and their total combined value is actually $6,139. However, for a limited time, you can access everything for free as an exclusive bonus. Now, thanks for watching this review video. Now let's walk through the members area.